Okay, Miss Ray, so I'm gonna just walk you through because it's a little confusing. So you go into your eduphoria um, analyze tab right here, and then your test will pull up. I'm not sure if you graded it already. So first you have to grade it. So you just pick a class, and then where it says score this question, you go in it and you would score each kid, right? Which I've already done. Then you go to review and score, you know, and you just make sure that you've scored everybody. Then once you have scored everybody, you have to go in and stop the test. So go to that writing one and then you stop it. So you would just make sure it's stopped. And then to get the scores, you come over to the side over here for written communication. And then we're in the second 9 weeks, writing, 2021, all them tabs. And then you should get your list of kids with the score right here. Okay, so hopefully that helps.